What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that might seem a little outside the usual tech talk. But trust me, it's all connected. We're going to break down the digital world of advertising, specifically looking at the difference between campaigns for influencers and content creators versus campaigns for physical products. As a cyber technician, I see the digital architecture behind both, and the strategies are fascinatingly different. It's not just about selling something, it's about building an entire digital ecosystem. So, grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's decode the matrix of modern marketing. First up, let's talk about physical product campaigns. Think about your favorite sneakers, that new smartphone, or even a can of soda. The goal here is pretty straightforward. Sell the thing. The campaign is built around the product itself. The advertising focuses on its features, its benefits, how it solves a problem, or how it makes you feel. From a technical standpoint, this is about tangible metrics. We're tracking clicks, conversion rates, and return on ad spend. The digital infrastructure is designed to lead you down a very specific path, a sales funnel. You see an ad on social media, you click it, you land on a product page, you add it to your cart, and you check out. Every step is measured, optimized, and A/B tested to reduce friction and maximize sales. The data we collect is transactional. Did the user buy? How much did they spend? Where did they come from? We're building customer profiles based on purchasing behavior. This data helps us target lookalike audiences, other people who share similar characteristics to our existing customers. The entire system is a well-oiled machine designed to move inventory. The product is the hero, the star of the show. The brand's website, its social media, its email marketing, it all serves the product. Security-wise, the focus is on protecting transaction data, customer payment information, and preventing e-commerce fraud. It's a very direct cause and effect relationship. We spend X on ads, we get Y in sales. Nah, let's flip the script and talk about influencer or content creator campaigns. This is where things get really interesting from a digital perspective. Here, the product isn't a physical item. The product is the person, the influencer, the creator, their personality, their expertise. That is what's being marketed. The goal isn't just a one-time sale. It's to build a long-term, loyal community. It's about building a brand around a human being. So, the campaign strategy is completely different. Instead of a direct sales funnel, we're building a content web. Think about it. An influencer creates a YouTube video, a TikTok clip, an Instagram story, a blog post, a podcast episode. Each piece of content is a node in a massive interconnected network. The goal isn't necessarily to get you to buy something in that exact moment. The primary goal is to get you to engage, to like, to comment, to share, and most importantly, to subscribe or follow. Why? Because the core asset here isn't a product in a warehouse. It's audience attention. The entire campaign is designed to capture and hold your attention over time. This is a long game. The metrics we track are different too. Instead of just sales, we're looking at engagement rate, watch time, follower growth, and sentiment analysis. How are people reacting to the content? Are they building an emotional connection with the creator? This is where the psychology of community building comes into play. The creator isn't just a spokesperson. They're a digital friend, a mentor, a source of entertainment. The content feels personal and authentic because, in many ways, it is. The creator is sharing a part of their life, their knowledge, or their passion. From a technical and data perspective, this is far more complex than a simple product sale. We're not just tracking a transaction, we're analyzing human relationships at scale. We're using data to understand what topics resonate with the audience, what content formats perform best, and when the audience is most active. The goal is to create a feedback loop. The audience engages, we analyze that engagement, and the creator uses those insights to create more of what the audience loves. This builds trust and loyalty, which are the real currencies in the creator economy. So, how do creators monetize this attention? This is where the two worlds can intersect. Once an influencer has built a dedicated community, they have multiple revenue streams. They can partner with physical product brands for sponsored content. But notice the difference. The brand isn't just buying an ad spot. They're reborrowing the trust and authenticity that the creator has spent months or years building with their audience. The creator is the bridge between the brand and the consumer. They can also create their own products, like merchandise, digital courses, or paid newsletters. Foots. Again, the product isn't sold like a traditional item. It's sold as an extension of the Creative S brand and a way for the community to support them and get more value. The marketing isn't buy my stuff. It's if you love what I do, here's another way to engage and get something special. The sales funnel is built on the foundation of the community relationship, not the other way around. The security concerns are also unique. For a creator, their brand is their digital identity. So, protecting their online accounts from being hacked is paramount. A compromised social media account can destroy a creator's business overnight. Reputation management is also a huge part of the cybersecurity landscape for influencers. We're talking about monitoring for impersonation accounts, managing online discourse, and protecting their personal information from being leaked. The asset we're protecting isn't credit card numbers. It's the trust and reputation of a human being. Let's put this all together with a clear example. Imagine a company selling a new high-tech blender. Their campaign will feature beautiful shots of the blender, listed specs, show it making smoothies, and run ads, targeting people interested in health and fitness. The call to action is direct. Buy now for 20% off. The entire digital trail is designed to get you to that Add to Cart button. Now, consider a fitness influencer. They won't just post an ad saying, "Follow me." They'll create a workout video, share a healthy recipe, post a motivational story about their own fitness journey, and host a live Q&A session. Okay, they're providing value up front, for free time. As you consume their content, you start to trust their advice. Then, when they recommend that same high-tech blender, their recommendation carries immense weight. Or, when they launch their own 30-day fitness challenge paid program, their community is eager to sign up, not just for the program, but to support the creator they've come to know and trust. So, to recap, the core differences. Physical product campaigns are transactional. They are product-centric, with a short-term focus on sales. The digital architecture is a linear funnel, and the key metrics are conversions and revenue. Security focuses on protecting financial data. Influencer and self-branding campaigns are relational. They are person-centric, with a long-term focus on building community and trust. The digital architecture is a content web, and the key metrics are engagement and audience growth. Security focuses on protecting digital identity and reputation. Both are incredibly effective forms of advertising in the digital age, but they operate on fundamentally different principles and require completely different technical and strategic approaches. V1 is about moving units from a shelf. The other is about building a tribe around an individual. As a cybertech, seeing how these different strategies are built, executed, and protected on the back end is a constant source of fascination. It's a reminder that behind every click, every like, and every sale, there is a complex system of code, data, and human psychology at work. Understanding this distinction is crucial, whether you're a consumer trying to be more aware of the marketing you see, a business deciding on an advertising strategy, or a future creator looking to build your own brand online. The digital world isn't just one big marketplace. It's a collection of interconnected communities, and knowing how to navigate it is the key to success. Thanks so much for hanging out and geeking out with me today. I hope this gave you a new perspective on the ads and content you see every day. If you found this interesting, hit that like button. And let me know in the comments which type of campaign you think is more powerful in the long run. Delore. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the tech behind our digital world. Catch you in the next one.